everyone, I'm back again. I'll switch this to the screen so I could see what's going on in the stock market, but I'm back. See what the hell is going on in the stock market here. Looks like things are doing quite fine. See what kind of trades we could do here. Let's see, gotta check something here. Ah, man, good stuff. Okay, hopefully this is better now. I put the earbud in. I'm back here. See what kind of trades we could do here. Market's gonna open here shortly. Let's see. Um, let's see what SoFi is doing. SoFi keeps on climbing up. That's nice. That's nice. Hell yeah. Hey Max, good night. How's it going, man? Uh, so everything looks like it's doing pretty good so far. Just in case, I'll probably buy a tiny bit more of this here. Because I think it'll kind of keep on going up like crazy, and I'll see what else, like what they're doing. Let's see NVTS. Let's see what flipping NVTS is doing. That thing is going up. I think it's gonna keep on going up. I'll sell some more later. Nice, nice. That's awesome, man. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm recording this live stream on my brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I just got yesterday. Just received it. I was waiting for it for like a whole month, and now actually using this new phone to record it with, so it's kind of different, but I guess it's a tiny bit better, so I kind of like it. But everything seems to be doing just fine for now. Looks like just kind of trying to see what to buy, what to sell here type deal. Looking at what the stock's doing, the companies are doing type deal. Lyft is for sure doing okay. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's see what Grab's doing. Just trying to get the hang of my new phone and its features. That's why I kind of messed up on some things earlier. I had to redo the live stream all over again. It's kind of funny. Uh, I have a whole bunch of this one. It looks like it went up quite a bit. Hopefully, it's gonna keep on going up because I got a lot in it. I mean, not too much, but something. Let's see, DEFT. That thing's moving up. That's pretty nice. I'll probably wait for that thing to go up quite a bit more to sell at a profit. BMNR, that thing's going up. I have some shares in that one. Let's see next. Walmart, I think it's still kind of too high to buy in it at the moment. I'll probably wait for that thing to go lower to add some more, to get a lot more. Gold is actually starting to move quite a bit higher. That's kind of interesting. So I recently got a lot in this one, the Tesla TSLL, right? Like when the earnings was happening. So I'm kind of up total return on this thing. So that's pretty nice. I'll probably add some more a little bit later, but that thing's doing pretty good, pretty okay. Let's see the plug power deal here. I got not too much of that, but like I got some call options, so hopefully that'll go up higher. Let's see, Uber, barely have any of that. I sold that at a profit recently. Added a tiny bit silver. I see silver started to go up. I don't have much of that one. Probably add some more later once the market opens. Talkspace, I got quite a bit of that one. Not too much. Probably add some more of that later. Let's see, Delta Airlines. That thing's not bad. It's pretty decent. I'll probably add a tiny bit more to that one once the market opens. I'm just kind of checking to see what everything kind of does, pre-market type deal. But yeah, I think it's gonna keep on going up here shortly. I think not all people are kind of afraid of heights, so I think people are gonna kind of keep on flying sort of halfway a little bit, you know. Okay, this is a SoFi leverage. I barely have any of that, but I'll probably hold off on that one because SoFi went up quite a bit. AMD is going up quite a bit. I'll add a tiny more to that one once the market opens. UBT quantum computing, that thing went up a little bit. I'll probably also add a little bit more to this one later. Okay, this one's down quite a bit. I have a call option on this one, but I'm probably gonna wait for that one to go up more before I do anything to with that one. Archer Aviation looks like everything for the most part is moving up. Hopefully, everything will kind of move high up enough to, collect some profits and start to, rinse and repeat, doing the same thing, like buying high and selling low, like losing profits that way. The opposite, buying low and selling high. That deal. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, let's see. This one here, it's barely up. So I'll probably add some more to that one later. Let's see, Rocket Lab. Let's see what Rocket Lab's doing here. Rocket Rocket Lab's up a tiny bit. I will probably trade that one probably once the market's open. Let's see what Amazon's doing. Market's gonna open in like a few minutes here. Amazon's doing pretty good, but I don't have much of that because I sold out at a profit. BBAI here. Okay, that one's going up quite a bit, but it still needs to go up quite a bit more for me to cash out at some profits. I see Serve Robotics. That one is moving up, but didn't move up enough here. IREN. So I don't have much of that one, but it is up though. So I'll probably wait on getting more of that. Let's see Google. Let's see what Google's doing here. Why? Okay, that one's up. I don't have too much of that one. Probably add a little bit more to that one later. See Apple. Let's see what Apple's doing. Okay, I don't have too much of Apple, but it is up, so it's not bad. Okay, momentous. That thing's up a tiny bit for today, but I need to go up higher to collect more profits on that one. Let's see, Raycor. That thing's up for today quite a bit. Let's see, Hims. Hims is a pretty decent one. I got quite a bit of that one. I might probably close this thingy at a profit later today. That thing's doing pretty good. Pretty decent trade. Once the market opens, I'll probably be profitable with that one. Might close that position. Let's see, ATAI. So that's up for the day, but still not up enough profits to close out. Shopify, that's up, but I barely have anything in that one, so I'll wait on that one. Brookfield Corporation, I sold off out of that one, so I'll probably add a tiny bit more to that one later. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Let's see the next one. Oklo, let's see what Oklo's doing. Oklo up a tiny bit, going up high, probably get some more of that later. MP Materials up 3.51%. So it needs to go a bit more higher so I could sell at a profit with that one. So I'm gonna wait on that one a little bit. Let's see, Applied Digital. Let's see what that's doing. That one's up. I don't have too much of that one. I'll probably wait to add some more to that one later. Robinhood markets. So I got some option contracts in that one. It's not bad. Okay, Bitcoin leverage. Okay, I'm gonna probably add a tiny bit to that one a little bit later. Let's see what else is going on here. ARCT, let's see what that thing is doing. ARCT, so that one's up in general. Almost everything's up, but this thing's kind of down in general out of my holdings. Let's see, Owl. Let's see what Owl is doing. Blue Owl. So that thingy is up for the day. It's down out of my holdings, but I don't have too much of that one. So I will add more to that one a little bit later. This one's up a tiny bit for the day. Probably wait for that one to go up higher, so to add some more later a little bit. Nike's doing pretty good. I'll probably add some more to Nike a little bit later. Let's see, coin. Let's see what coin's doing. Coin's going up. Probably wait for that one to go up some more before I add some more to that one. Let's see, ATA is up. That's nice. This one's up a little. Actually, this one's down. Costco's down. This is a Webull brokerage. I also have that brokerage, but I sold at a profit yesterday, so I'll add some more maybe later sometime today. Material, I don't have too much of that one. ENPH Energy. That thing is, up for the day, but not high up enough to sell at a profit, so I'll wait to add some more to that one. Let's see what Bomba's doing. I don't have a lot of that one, but that one seems to be going up as well, so it's not bad. Market's about to open here in a second. So I have quite a bit of that one. Okay, I'm gonna go back and I'll see what the flipping market's gonna do when it's gonna open. So the portfolio's bouncing a tiny bit. Looks like it's kind of doing its thing here a little bit. So we'll see what happens once market opens. Market's about to open. Let's see what the numbers will change to once the market opens. Let's see where is it gonna go down? Is it gonna go up? Let's see what will happen here once the market opens. The moment of truth, the countdown. What is it gonna do? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Market's about to open. What is it gonna do? Let's see. Once it opens, I gotta do crazy trades here real quick. Okay, market open. See what happens. Okay, bounce down for a second. Let's see where it'll bounce. Okay, then it bounced up. Nice. So it's going up a little bit, a tiny bit. Let's see what it'll change to here. Come on, why is it glitching? That thing be glitching. Come on, keep on bouncing. Okay, now I gotta start doing my trades real quick here. Okay, one up to 42K. That's not bad. That's not bad. I'm gonna start doing some trades here. Hell yeah, doing okay. Hell yeah. Okay, now I gotta start closing some trades. Okay, him sell thingy. That one's up. Buy back for 1.06. Trade buy. Buy one contract for 1.06. Get that thingy. Medium fill likelihood. Okay, order filled. That's good. Let's go check out the next one. Okay, let's see what else we could close here. So everything's bouncing pretty decently. Lift, call, sell. That one's obviously gonna be negative a tiny bit. That's fine. Let's see, open, put, sell. that one's still a tiny bit down. That's fine. Let's see the next one here. Lift three cells. Let's see what that's doing. That one's up. I'm gonna sell this buy three for 1.25. Buy uh, three for 1.2, maybe three. Medium likelihood, maybe do that. The order has been placed. I don't know. It looks like it started moving out of the range. That's 1.23. We'll see what happens with that one, but I got those. Let's see. Let's see where the portfolio is still not doing too bad. It's still bouncing around. Let's see after the lift. Let's see where's the lift deal that I got. Lift. Let's see SoFi call sell. That's obviously gonna be down. Let's see what SoFi's doing. So SoFi's up. It's going up like crazy. That's good. Let it keep on going up. Let's see. Let's see what the SoFi calls are doing. SoFi call buy. Probably sell this one at 12.73. Actually, I'm gonna do maybe a woman's covered call on this thingy possibly. Or maybe I'll just wait, see what happens. Let's see. So everything's kind of bouncing up a tiny bit. Everything's not doing too bad. Let's see here. Hood, sell call. Let's see what that's doing. This one's down a little bit just because this other thing here is gonna be up quite a bit. So yeah, this one's up a lot. Total return $555 today's return. So this one's climbing like crazy hell. 139. So okay, let's see. I might have to close this out for like some kind of profit because if I go here, hood call 138, and it's at 140 right now. So I gotta make sure I flip in hood call sell. So I gotta make sure I close this out because if it's gonna keep on going higher, I'll kind of be screwed a little bit. Come on. Yeah, I gotta wait for this to go back down. I'm gonna probably sell, buy back. I'm gonna buy back this thingy, trade. Let me see one. Okay, hood, call, sell, call. So I gotta trade, close this at a loss to be able to close the other one at a profit. So yeah, trade, buy, estimated cost. Okay, I gotta buy this one at the whatever it's going for. Okay, that's failed, and then I gotta go back to the other hood deal here. Let's see, hood right here, and then trade, sell, sell all of this. Okay, order failed. Okay, so looks like it's doing good. I want to see the profits that I made, the profits that I took, see what's going on here. So yeah, the profits went up for the month, the profits went to 3,099. Let's see. So for the week, it went up a little bit. So I grabbed some profit. So it was a poor man's covered call. So I did lose a little bit on that one over there, but then I made money on that one. So in general, I made the profit, the difference between that one and that one on this thingy. So that's not bad. Now I gotta keep on seeing what other trades I gotta do here before everything like runs away on me here. SoFi call sell, see what SoFi's doing. SoFi's pretty high up there, so let's see. Because it's going up like crazy, I might do like one super long term deal where I let me see. Um so how much buying? So everything looks like it's trying to move up some more. I gotta make sure I collect as much profits as I can here. Let's see, SoFi call buy. Let's see, on the sell, lift call buy. Let's see what that's doing. That's kind of down. Plug selling call buys. That's down a tiny bit. Let's see, SoFi call buy. That's up. Everything's up. That's good. Let me see, open USAR. USAR, that's still kind of down. Wait for that one. So it looks like the money is going up like crazy. I think just in case, because I got three SoFi call buys, I might do three SoFi call sells. That would be like a performance covered call type deal. SoFi call buy, SoFi call buy. Let's see. SoFi call buy, and looks like all of them are in the profit. So I might do three of the performance covered calls on the SoFi call sell. That could be controlling the stocks. That could go up quite a bit more before I get rid of that one. Let's see. SoFi call sell. That one's fine. How much SoFi call sells do I have? SoFi call sell. So I got one SoFi call sell at 32. I got one SoFi call sell at 30. I mean, SoFi call sell at 31. So everything's going good. Everything's bouncing up the way it should for today. That Roth IRA is doing okay. Let's see. I opened up some more buying power collateral, so that's a good thing. But for now, I'm gonna check out what SoFi call sell 31. Let's see how SoFi is doing. It still didn't reach 31, so what I could do is I could make some more of the four-man covered call on SoFi. I could make probably two more. Because if I got, let's see what I got here. So I got SoFi call buy, SoFi, another SoFi call buy. So I got two, three SoFi call buys. Then SoFi call sells. I got one, two SoFi call sells. One for $31 and one for $32. So I guess I could do a couple more of the poor man's card calls on SoFi. So I'll probably try to do that. SoFi, go trade options. Go to like maybe kind of far one. Let me do that. What the hell? Okay, do a SoFi call sell here real quick on the flipping trade options. Go to flipping. Let's see, kind of a far date, a tiny bit. Maybe January 16, 2026. Maybe do that one. Do sell call, sell a couple of calls on this. Maybe go to or maybe just do February just in case when SoFi or if SoFi decides to go down a tiny bit. Looks like I got one of those. Maybe do March. Maybe do March. March is probably too long to wait. Maybe March 33. Let's see. This one is probably do January here. Maybe do this one. So see where SoFi is. Let's see. Go click on SoFi real quick. Yeah, looks like that's trying to go back down a tiny bit. I don't know how far back down it'll go. I'll just click 35 for now. Sell maybe two. Try to get to 3.00, 3.00, medium likely 3.10. I don't know if it'll fill. 3.00, medium 3.05. I'll just do 3.10 just in case. Low likelihood. Okay, order received. I'm not sure if that'll fill, but that's going to be like a couple more of the little four months covered call same deal that I could collect short term you know profits type deal. So that should be pretty decent profit. So bounced up quite a bit today, so that's nice. I did already collect some profits. I gotta see what else I could collect here. So if I lift call sell, that one's actually not in the profit. So I did open up quite a bit more capital, which is nice from some of the things that I did. Let's see, open put. That thing's obviously it gotta keep on going up higher before I get more profits out of that. Let's see. I want to see how much money like I collected so far at closing the stuff I closed. So see, past month in 1 month, I made 3,000 here. So in 1 week, take home profit is 505. In 1 month, take home profit is $3,099. That's why I sold at a profit. Let's see, 3 months, 4,545. What I sold at a profit. Year to date, 5,585. So that's not too bad, but 1 month, 3,000. That's not bad for a small portfolio. Let's see, I gotta see what I gotta keep on trading type deal. Still keeps on bouncing around at a high amount here. Let's see, USAR call sell. That's a tiny bit profitable. Okay, open. Let's see what open's doing. Open put sell. Open put sell. It's up, but still not up enough to actually do anything with it. Let's see. Lift. I got this one. Yeah, maybe there's a different open. Let's see. Open call sell. That one's probably gonna be down a bit. Let's see. Is there another? Oh, call sell. Okay, this one's down a tiny bit. Fine. Open to call buys. That'll be down because it's still got to go up quite a bit to be in a profit. Let's see what this thing's doing. This thing got to go quite a bit more to be in a profit. Let's see, lift call buy. That one's down a little bit. Let's see a different one here. So if I call buy, that's not doing bad, but I got some me uncovered calls with this deal here. Once they go down a tiny bit, I'll close those for a profit. Okay, I think I kind of checked everything out over here. So this one's down a little bit. Gotta wait for that one to go up higher. CBBAI call, that one's down in general a tiny bit. Needs to go up higher to collect some profits on that. Talk 6 buys, that thing's also gotta go quite a bit higher to collect some profits on that. Let's see what else here. What else? SoFi call sell. Okay, these are some 4 minutes covered call. I gotta, yeah, it's just hedging a tiny bit here and there. Let's see. Call sell. Let's see what that's doing. Maybe I should close this. So call sell, call buy for 2.45. Try that. Call buy for 2.45. Buy one for 2.45. I guess see what that does. Yeah, I'll do that. See what that does. Maybe collect a tiny bit of whatever I can. If it'll fill, we'll see what happens. I don't know if it'll fill here. But everything's kind of moving up a little bit. The portfolio's bouncing up a tiny bit, so it's not too bad. Looks like we'll see what happens. Let's see here. Everything's doing kind of sort of halfway okay, a tiny bit. Open calls are up. Let's see. Let's see what the hell they're talking about. Open calls are up. What the hell are they beeps talking about there? Like sort of like crazy hell. Open put. Oh, open put is up, so I gotta. Let's see, open put sell, so I gotta buy that one. Open put buy for let's see, buy back for 1.10 trade, buy one for 1.101.10. See what happens with that thingy. See what happens with that. Okay, order has been placed. We'll see if it'll fill or not. If it will, that'll be nice. So I got a whole bunch of open orders going, so profits going up a tiny bit, so it's not too bad for right now. Everything's kind of doing what it's gotta do type deal. Let's see. So profits are going up. Last month take home sales locked at a profit 3,099, so it's going up. Let's see what I should do here. Gotta think real quick here. I got a whole bunch of pending orders. Let's see, lift call sell. See what that's doing. That's down a tiny bit. Lift is kind of doing its thing for now. It's not too bad. Let's see, open put. Okay, I did a thingy to close this one. I'm waiting for that one to hit the strike price. Lift three cells, put. Uh, that one I'm still waiting for that thingy to do its thing. So if I call sell, let's see what that's doing. Okay, that one's down a tiny bit. That's fine because that's like a hedge, a tiny bit over there. Okay, this one that's USAR. I'm trying to close that at a profit. USAR. See if I got that one here as a pending order. USAR. Yeah, I do got one right there. See if that'll fill. See if that'll fill type deal. Probably go back, bounce back, and see what else I could close out at a profit type deal. Go start. Not the SoFis. SoFis I'm not touching right now. I'm gonna let those grow like crazy hell. I'm gonna let these grow, compound like crazy insane hell. I'm not gonna sell out of this thing for now. I got some nice hedges on that. See NVTS. That one's down a tiny bit. I'm gonna wait for that to go higher before I sell out of that. So let's see Lumen. Barely have any of that, but just for the heck of it, I'll sell all Lumen, like crazy hell. It's not gonna make much, but it's still better than nothing. And then trade, buy a dollar more just in case for the heck of it, just to kind of track it. Okay, that's done. That's good. Okay, after Lumen, let's see what else. Lift. I don't have too much in that one, but I'll probably sell all like crazy. Sell all like crazy hell, get rid of it, like hold the whole thing like crazy hell, trade, buy just $1 just to kind of track it sort of halfway a little bit, so that'll be all good. That'll be all awesome. Okay, let's see after that, that's done. Let's see grab. Let's see what the hell going on grab. That one's down a tiny bit. I gotta wait for that one to get a tiny bit more in the profit before I do some more anything with that. So I'll go check the next one. Open, let's see what open's doing. I don't have too much of that, but I'll probably wait for that thing to kind of do its own thing for now. Let's see, DEFT. That one's not in the profit enough to do anything with that one for now. Go back, let's see, BMNR. Let's see what that's doing. That's still not enough in the profit to do anything, so I'll probably wait on that one for now. Let's see. Let's see, Walmart. I'm gonna add to that one later once it's. Oh, looks like your order to buy one contract of open 8 put executed. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's hella good. Let's see, gold. Gold is kind of going down a tiny bit. Gold is always a good thing to add because the market's ripping up higher. Gold is always a good thing to add some more to. So I'll add $10 to gold right now. Buy some gold. It's gonna be like 20, 30% higher from now, a year from now. So that's good. That's hella good on that thingy. Let's see, buy. Maybe buy another $3 bill. Slap a three, lucky number three at that one. That's good. That's all good. Okay. Let's see, TSLL, that thing's doing good. That thing's still like hovering at that certain price range. That's nice. Maybe just in case, just for the heck of it, I'll throw like a lucky number three at that thing for now. That's good. Hell yeah. Let's see, after that TSLL plug, the plug deal, I gotta wait for that one to go a tiny bit higher to sell out of that thingy. Let's see, Uber. Let's see what Uber's doing. Uber's, I don't have too much of that. Probably wait on that thing a little bit. Silver. Let's see what Silver's doing. That thing's also kind of trying to go down a tiny bit. I'll add a tiny bit to that thing right now, just for the heck of it. A little bit, sort of halfway. Okay, that's done. That's good. That's hella good. Let's see, Talk. Let's see what Talk's doing. Talk is still not high enough to start a profit, so I'll leave that be. Let's see, Delta Airlines. I don't have much of that. But because it's at a profit, I will flipping sell. See Delta Airlines, sell all of that like crazy, collect all profit like crazy hell, take all the profits, take all the gains. That's good. And then grab one more dollar more of that, that way I could keep track of it and monitor it type deal, keep on making a tiny bit of profits, whatever I can type deal. Let's see SOFX, see what that's doing. That's in the profits. I'm gonna sell all of it for now. So all the all the that's all effects, that's all if I leveraged. Okay, and then buy, probably just buy one to kind of monitor it a little bit, sort of halfway. So that's gonna be good. Okay, let's see. Let's see what the portfolio kind of looks like. I'm gonna bounce back to that one to see what everything's doing. Okay, so everything kind of bouncing back up, collecting a tiny bit of profit here and there, left and right. So I'm gonna go back and see what kind of take-home profits I got here. Take-home profits are going up. So for the past month, I sold at a profit. Take-home profit $3,104. So that's not too bad. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the SOFX, see how that's doing. If I can find it here. Let's see, so I could continue checking everything that I got type deal. Okay, this one's ahead a little bit. Gonna sell, collect all profits at this one, collect the crazy hell, collect everything, collect all, trade, buy one more dollar back just in case, just for the heck of it, just to kind of keep track of it type deal. Hell yeah, crazy hell yeah type deal. Okay, next, after AMD, let's see QBT. QBT still not in the profit enough. I'm gonna wait for that one to go back up a tiny bit more just for the heck of it. I'll like throw like a lucky number three at it, then like see what it does. Okay, after this one, after the quantum computing, going back down to USAR, see what the hell that thing's doing. Uh, that thing's not up enough, so I'll probably wait on that one. Let's see Archer, see what Archer's doing. Archer's doing okay. I'll probably wait for that one to go up more before I take those profits. And then G, that thing's not profitable enough. I'll wait on that thing. Rocket Lab, let's see what Rocket Lab is doing. That thing's almost at a profitable area. Probably wait for that one to get into a tiny bit more profits, just in case. I'll probably add lucky number three at that one for now, and then later we'll get in the profit zone. Cash out of that thing for a little bit. So that's good. Let's see what's next. Amazon. I don't have much of that thingy, so I'm gonna wait on that thingy for now. Let's see BBAI, see what that's doing. BBAI, that's kind of still down a little bit. I'll probably wait for it to get in a bigger profit zone to take some profits there. Serve Robotics, let's see what Serve Robotics are doing. That thing's still a tiny bit down. I'm gonna wait on that one. IREN, see what that's doing. That's profitable a tiny bit, so I'll probably sell out of all of that thing, although I barely have any of this. But it doesn't matter, who cares? I'll add a tiny bit more. Trade buy one just for the heck of it, just to kind of keep track of it. I think that's good. Done. Okay, hell yeah, awesome. Let's see what's next. Google, see what Google is flipping doing. Also profitable, so I gotta sell, take all profits, whatever profits I can, get rid of that. Okay, then trade, buy one more dollar back to kind of see what it's doing. That's good, that's hella good, that's awesome, hell yeah type deal, like crazy hell yeah type nice deal. Okay, Apple, let's see what Apple's doing. I don't have too much of that, so it needs to go up a tiny bit more to be profitable. So I'm gonna buy like I'll buy like seven more apples, buy seven more cyber apples, like seven apples a day, keep 10 doctors away type deal. Now I gotta bite into this cyber apple like crazy, so my mouth will get zapped and I'll get superpowers, super talking powers type deal. That'll be nice, that'll be awesome, like totally hell yeah type deal. Everything's going good, everything's kind of flying. That's awesome, that's good, that's good, hell yeah. Let's see. After the Apple deal, let's see this thingy. This thingy's not high enough to collect profits. I'll wait on that thingy. Let's see REKR. Let's see what that's doing. That thing's doing pretty good. So take all profits out of this thingy. Sell all. Collect profits. Buy $1 back. So I could track it, monitor it like crazy hell. Take my profits. Buy more. See what the hell is going to do in the future. That's good. That's good. That's hella good. Let's see Hims. Let's see Hims went up like crazy, but not. high enough to take profits in the total return in here. But regardless, it's all good. I'm gonna go to the next one. ATAI, that thing's trying to go up a tiny bit. I'm gonna wait a tiny bit for that one to go up higher to solid profits. Shopify, don't have much in that one, but it is enough profit, so I'm gonna sell all, take profits, and buy $1 back, and so I could keep track and monitor type deal. Trade buy $1. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's all good. Okay. Let's see next. BN. Let's see what the hell that's doing. I don't have too much of that one, so I'll let that one be for now. Oklo. Let's see what Oklo's doing here. Oklo is not in a profit enough, but it's doing good, so I'll wait on that one a tiny bit. MP Materials. See what MP Materials are doing. That thing's down a tiny bit, so I will wait on that one a tiny bit. APLD, Applied Digital. That thing's still gotta go up higher a tiny bit to collect profits, so I'll wait on that one a tiny bit. Hood. Let's see, Hood is doing pretty good, pretty okay. I don't have too much of that, but like probably sell at the profits, like crazy hell profits. Take whatever I can, buy $1 back just to kind of track it. Trade buy $1. Hell yeah, I opened up some buying power. Okay, let's see what's next here. Go to the next deal. Hood BITX. I probably don't have too much of that one. So yeah, I'll probably not do anything with that one at the moment. Let's see, ARCT. I don't have much of that. I'll not do anything with that for now. Like Owl Capital, that thing has to go up a tiny bit more to get some profits out of that, so I'll wait on that one. Let's see, ABT, that one, I gotta wait on that one a tiny bit to collect some more profits. Nike, don't have too much on that. Probably add some more ones lower a tiny bit. Coin, let's see what Coin's doing. Coin is up, so I'm gonna take profits on Coin. Take all profits. I'm gonna buy $1 back just to kind of keep track of it, monitor it type deal. That'll be good. That'll be all good. Then once it tanks like 20, 30%, like I'll add a whole bunch more money in it, so that'll be good. That's the plan. See Costco. Costco, I don't have too much of, and I'm gonna buy some more when it goes down lower a tiny bit more. Weeble, okay, that's not too bad. Already sold that at a profit earlier, so I'll do some of that later. MTRN, that thing's up a tiny bit. Maybe I'll collect profits, sell all, and then I'll buy back at $1 like what I usually do. Done. Okay, trade buy $1 worth of this more, a tiny bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, later. Let's see what this is doing. I don't have too much of this, but it looks like it's going up. Just in case, I might add like a $3 bill to this one for now. Make that grow like crazy hell, and then sell it at a profit later once it reaches a full profit. Let's see what Baba's doing. I don't have too much of this. Add some more later when it's lower. See what Elf is doing. Elf is not doing too bad. Looks like it's at a profit, so I'm gonna sell all, take all profits like crazy hell. Collect all profits. I'm gonna go buy some more back. I gotta make sure I support the elves. They're Santa's helpers. So I gotta make sure I'm not on the naughty list. Gotta support the elves. Buy some more elves. Tip the elves. Okay, that's good. To take care of the elf type deal, and then I'll go check out Tesla. Tesla started to go down a tiny bit, not much, but it's fine because I'm kind of hedged on that thing a little bit, so it's all good. It could go down all at once. It's all good. It's all not bad. It's all not that bad. Okay, that's awesome. And I'm just kind of having that to kind of see what it does. Gonna go back. Let's see AVGO. Let's see what AVGO is doing. Broadcom, it's up a tiny bit. So I'll go sell. I'll sell all. Take profits. Buy a tiny bit back. Buy $1 back to kind of monitor, to kind of track it and see what it's doing type deal. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, let's see what's next. AVGO skills. Let's see what skills is doing here. That thing's up a tiny bit, but I don't have too much in it, so I'm gonna go to the next one. Let's see what this one's doing. I don't have too much of this one either, but since it's up, sell anything at a profits is better than nothing. Sell this. I'll collect profits, buy $1 more back just to kind of track it. Just to do whatever I gotta do just to kind of make it right a little bit. Okay, that's done. That's good. Okay, let's see what's next here. Our spaghetti thingy. I don't have much of that. I do have a little bit, but it went up like crazy today. Wow, it's insane. I'm gonna sell since it did go up. I'm gonna take whatever profits I can out of this thingy. Done. Okay, trade. Buy one more dollar back just to kind of track it a tiny bit. Okay, that's good. That's done. And now I'm gonna go back and see what the portfolio is kind of doing, sort of halfway. So it's not doing too bad. It's still bouncing around a certain price range. It's still got these pending orders to be filled. So that's not bad. Not bad. Everything's still kind of doing its thing. I'm gonna see what the Tesla. Let me see. Tesla call sell. Okay, these are starting to be profitable. That's nice. I could always what do you call it? Buy those back at a profit. Maybe I will buy one of these at a profit. So this one, trade, buy. I'll probably go to buy. Let me see. What should I do? Either wait or I could close this out, depending on how far down Tesla we're going. Mm, maybe I will do at least one of these. Maybe buy back 4.58. Call. This is a call sell. How's it call buy for 4.57? Trade buy one for 4.57. One for 4.57. Low likelihood. That's fine, but we'll see what will happen. All needs to be rounded numbers. Okay, 4.57. So I guess I could do 4.16. I guess I could do 4.57. 4.60. Medium likelihood. I don't know if that'll get filled, but I guess I could try. Oh, it was filled. Wow. So I got rid of that one. That's nice. That's gonna be a tiny bit extra profit. Not much, but something. Okay, let's see. So everything's kind of going good, moving good. I want to see what kind of take home I got right now because I did sell quite a bit of profit stuff. So yeah, the profit amount went up higher a tiny bit. So let's see for the week. So for the week, just for closing in on some profits today, it's up. I collected $533 take home profits. So these are a tiny bit of profits I took. It's not much, but like something's better than nothing. Yeah, I do have some negative, but I do have some positive. But in general, it looks like it's doing good. So for 1 month, take home is $3,127. That's take home that I sold at a profit. I think for a tiny portfolio to collect that much take home for a month, I think that's not too bad. Let's see. So it still keeps on bouncing around in a decent area. So I gotta see what else I could kind of collect. Let's see. Put sell. That thing's still profitable. Maybe I could try to change this. I'll probably, let's see. I'll probably cancel all of these contracts and I'm gonna start them all over again. Okay, cancel. Lift, I'm gonna keep that one going. I cancel SoFi. Let me see what is it going for. Okay, 310, 295, 305. Two cells to open. Two cells to open. That's what, so I'm gonna cancel. For now, cancel order. Okay, that's canceled. US 30 245. So I'm gonna try to see if I could. Oh, close up. Okay, I'm gonna see if I could close this for a profit 2. I'll try to do 2.50. See what that does. 2.50 USAR and see what USAR is doing first. USAR, so close at the 30. Yeah, USAR call 30. I'll probably wait on that one for now, probably. Let's see. Oakland. Let me check out what the hell Oakland was doing because I just got an alert from that thingy. If I could find it here, there it is. Okay, yeah, that one did go up, but not enough to sell at a profit on that thing yet. So I gotta see what other ones to close because I closed out and collected some profits and opened up some more buying power. But I gotta see what kind of deals I can make. So SoFi call sell. Let's see what SoFi is doing. SoFi's still up quite a bit. I'm gonna try to maybe close the. Let me see. Hmm. Everything's kind of confusing a tiny bit because I got so much things going on all at once. It's like insane, but it's like kind of like it is what it is type deal. But like the profits that I'm collecting, like the take home, it's not that bad. So far, doing what I'm doing, collecting random profits here and there, it's $3,127. It's take home that I sold at a profit, cold hard cash type deal. Let's see. Let's see here. So it is going up. I could try to open some more decent things here. It's not doing too good, but it's not doing too bad. It's kind of doing somewhat okay, I guess. Okay. Okay, that's awesome. I'm gonna check on the Roth IRA, see if I could sell something at a profit on that thingy. Let's see, that thing's in general kind of down. Let's see, Lift is up ahead. I'm gonna sell all that. Okay, that's good. Maybe buy $1 back just in case, just for the heck of it. That's at the Roth IRA. That's like I barely have anything in there. TSLL thingy, that's down in there. Not doing anything with that. Let's see, grab. This thing's down. Let's see, Lumen. See what Lumen's doing. Okay, Lumen's up a tiny bit. Maybe sell some of that. If I could take some profits, sell a Lumen. And probably not buy it back for now. Just leave that one be. Okay, after that, let's see, SoFi. SoFi's up a bit. Maybe leave that be. Let's see, plug power is down a little bit, so I'm not doing anything with that. Let's see, ATAI. That's down a tiny bit. Let's see, SCHD. That thing's down a tiny bit. Let's see, QUBT. Down a tiny bit. Let's see, DEFT. That's also down. Let's see, SOFX. Yeah, that one's up a tiny bit, maybe. So I'll just leave that be, I guess. Gold. Gold is up a bit. I don't have much in that. I'll leave that be. Silver. Don't have much in that. I'll leave that be. Rocket Lab. Let's see. Don't have much in Rocket Lab. I'll leave that be. Yeah, nothing's too special here. Archer, barely have anything there. I'll leave that be. USAR. It's all like not the greatest over there. BMNR. Yeah, kind of boring stuff in the Roth IRA here. Navita Semiconductor, that's not too good here. Open one up quite a bit. Maybe I'll sell all this at a profit. Sell all that. Done. Okay, then I'll add some more stuff to that thingy later. I guess I'll go back, bounce back to my normal portfolio here. Let's see. Okay, so this one's going up. That's good. HIMS is up. Let's check on him. So everything's bouncing back up the way it should. That's awesome. Let's see. Let's see what HIMS is doing. Gotta check HIMS. HIMS. Okay, so that's in the profits. I'll sell all of that. Sell all, collect the profits. Sell and take any and whatever profits I could take as much as possible. And then after that's done, I'm gonna see where I could redistribute the flipping profits type deal. So okay, I got that. That's good. Took some profits. Let's see what's next. hymns. I'm gonna buy one more dollar back of that just to kind of track that. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be all good. Let's see, hymns. Probably trade, buy one more dollar of that, buy more. That's good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, hell yeah type deal. It's all good. All good in the hood because I be trading on Robinhood type deal. It's all good. It's like kind of hell yeah, all good in the hood. I be trading in Robinhood. It's all good in the hood here. Hell yeah. Flipping making digital green papers right here. Let me see what kind of take home I did. I got a tiny bit more. So yeah, the take home amount is kind of growing up higher. That's good. So it looks like something's going good here. Something's going right. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what else am I waiting to get filled on here. Okay, let's see what else. Lift, call. Actually, SoFi call sell. Okay, let's see what SoFi is doing. SoFi is still bouncing around the price limit, so it's not bad. Not bad at all. So in this type of position, it's not bad because whether SoFi goes up, SoFi goes down, whatever it does, I'm kind of intertwined, and I got some poor man's calls and like covered calls and a whole bunch of stuff that it keeps me kind of hedged, so I could make money whether it goes up or down or whatever it does type deal. So I'm kind of safe in this type of position. Let's see, USAR. That thing's down a tiny bit. See what else I could close here. Open call sell. It's down a tiny bit. Let's see. 11. SoFi call sell 32. That one's down. Let's see. TSL call sell. So I could close this one at a profit if I want to. Maybe I should buy this back for 4.80. I'll try that trade. Buy one for 4.80. I'm not sure if that'll fill or not, but I guess I will give it a shot. The order has been placed. I don't know if it will be filled, but it's there. Okay. Let's see. Call sell talk 6 buys. That's still kind of bit in the negative, so I'm not doing anything with that one yet. Open call sell. That one's in the negative a little bit. So if I call buy, that one's in the profit a tiny bit. BBAI call. That's down a tiny bit. I'm gonna leave that be. Let's see, USAR call buy. That's obviously down. Let's see, open call 2 buys. That's up for the day, but it's kind of down in general, so probably let that be a little bit. See what happens. Let's see, so if I one call buy, that's up for the day, down for today, down in general a tiny bit, so it's not bad. Let's see, plug. That thing's down, so selling contracts, but it is going up. Hopefully, it's gonna keep on going up, so I could stay in the profit zone. That would be nice. So I'll probably have to have a tiny bit more patience. It's kind of wanting to move up a tiny bit more. So this is a 3.5, so I gotta wait for that one to go up quite a bit higher to collect some more decent profits on that one. Lift call buy, that one's down a tiny bit. So if I call buy, that that one's up, so that's good. So everything's still doing okay here. Now I gotta see what else I should buy and add to. I did like close on some profits and open some more buying power, so that's good. Let's see here. What should I do? What should I do? Let's see what getting. See what this is doing. Okay, I'm gonna probably wait for that one to be down a little bit more before I add to that one. And wait to add to that one. Let's see, that thing's gonna wait on that one a little bit. Tesla 443. Wait on that thing a little bit. I see Elf. Wait on that thingy a little bit. I see BABA. Gonna wait on that thingy. And phase. That thing finally started to be in a profit. I'll probably sell all at a profit before it's too late. Collect the profits. Done. Trade. Buy one more dollar back. And so once I'm tracking these, once I'm monitoring these, once they go down quite a bit, and then I'll start buying some more of these when I see them being down quite a bit type deal. And phase is done. That's awesome. Let's see Material. I'm gonna not do anything with that one for now. Let's see what Webull is doing. Webull is up. Don't have too much of that, but I could just for the heck of it sell all. So all of this done, then trade, go back, buy one more dollar worth of this. Okay, that's good. After the Webull, let's see Costco. Costco's down a bit. I might add a tiny bit more to Costco. A little bit to Costco. That's a decent one. Okay, that's good. Okay, after Costco, let's see what Coin's doing here. Coin's a little bit in a profit. I'll probably wait on that one to do anything with that. Let's see Nike. Nike's down a tiny bit. I'll probably wait for that one to be down a bit more to add some more to that one. Let's see ABT. Let's see what ABT is doing. It's down a tiny bit. I gotta wait for that one to go up a tiny bit more to collect some of those profits. Okay, I'll wait on that one. Let's see what the owl deal is doing. The owl deal is up for the day, but down in my holdings, so I'll probably wait on that one for now. ARCT, I'll probably wait to do anything with that one. Let's see, Bitcoin deal, that thing BITX, I'm gonna wait on that one for now. Hood, I just sold out of all the hood. I'll let that thingy go down some more before I collect some more of that. So I made some decent profit with the hood deal. Apply digital, that one's in a profit. I'll take all profits maybe. I'll probably do what do you call it? It keeps on bouncing up and down type deal. Like maybe I could do sell for like let's see, apply digital, sell all for like 35. I'm probably just gonna sell all of this. So all this doesn't matter whether it's a profit or loss or whatever, and trade, buy one more dollar back. Open up some more buying power. That'll be nice. That'll be all good. Track it all over again. So let's see next MP. I don't have too much of that one, but I want to wait for that one to go up some more before I do anything with that one. Let's see Oklo. Oklo still like not in the profit zone of what I got, so I'll wait on that one a little bit. This one, it is going up, so I'll probably sell all, and then buy back a tiny bit more just to kind of track it. Buy one more dollar more worth of this thing. Okay, that's good. Okay, after this one, let's see Shopify. That thing's going up. I'll add to that later when it's down. Let's see ATAI. That thing still didn't get into my profit zone, so I'll wait on that one right now for a little bit. Let's see hims and hers. I don't have much of that. I'll wait on that one. REK. I'll wait on that one a little bit. This one's still down out of my holdings that I got, so I'll wait on that one a little bit before it goes up. Apple, Apple's pretty decent. It's in the profit zone. Probably sell all of that, collect profits wherever I can. I'm gonna trade buy. I'm gonna buy one more Apple back. One Apple a day keeps five doctors away. I think that's better than nothing. I'm gonna bite into the cyber apple and zap my mouth and get superpowers, get super talking powers like crazy hell. I think that'll be good. That'll be nice. That'll be all good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, like crazy. Hell yeah. Let's see, Google thingy. Google's pretty good. Google's not bad. Might buy some like Google Alphabet Class A so people learn their ABCs. I think that'll be better than nothing, sort of halfway a little bit. That'll be pretty nice. Hell yeah type deal. Let's see, IREN. This one's not doing too bad. I'll probably add some more to that one once it goes down lower. Serve robotics, that still didn't get into the profit zone. I'll wait on that. Let's see, BBAI. Gotta wait for that one to get in the profit zone, so I'm not gonna get any of that for now. Amazon, I'm good on that. Wait on that thing a little bit. Let's see. Rocket Lab Corporation. I got plenty of that, but I'm gonna wait for that one to get in the profit zone before I sell out on that one. Let's see, NMG. That one obviously I gotta wait for it to be profitable. Archer. Let's see what's going on with that. That one's still kind of down. I'm gonna wait for that one to go back up before I collect profits on that one. So wait on that thing a little bit. Let's see what the hell USAR is doing. That one's down. Gotta wait for that one to be more profitable to sell that. QUBT, quantum computing. That one I gotta wait for that one to go up higher to collect profits. Just in case, I'll probably throw out lucky number three at that one. Like invest a tiny bit into that one. Quantum computing is pretty nice. That's like the future, sort of halfway a little bit. Let's see, AMD. AMD is not doing too bad. I'll wait for that one to go lower to buy some more of that. That's all effects. Okay, I'll probably wait to get into that one when it's lower. Delta Airlines, I think I just sold out of that at a profit. So I'm gonna wait to get this one later. TSL option order executed. Okay, that's I collected some more profits on that one. That's good. Let's see Delta Airlines. I gotta just check that one. See talk. See what talk's doing. Talk is not doing too bad. I'll probably wait a little bit more to collect profits on that one. Let's see. Silver iShare, Silver iTrust. I'll probably add a tiny bit to this one later when it goes down a tiny bit more. Let's see Uber, see what Uber's doing. Uber's not doing that bad. I'll add more later to that one. Let's see Plug. Let's see what Plug is doing. Plug, I gotta wait for that one to go up higher before I collect profits on that one. And TSLL. Okay, that one started to go down a tiny bit more. Okay, so that's not too bad. So it's down a little bit. I'm gonna wait for that one to kind of do its thing. Let's see, gold. I have a little bit of gold. Might as well maybe sell at a profit once I'm up a tiny bit. Sell all. Collect some profits on this thingy. Trade buy one more dollar back just to kind of keep track of it type deal. Okay, that's good. That's all good. Let's see, Walmart. Probably add some more to Walmart later when it goes down farther down because I think it will keep on going down some more. Let's see, BMNR. That one we gotta wait for that one to be more profitable later to collect some more of that. DEFT. I'll wait for that one to be more profitable to collect some more of that. Open Technologies. That one I need to wait for it to go up higher to collect some of that. It looks like it is kind of trying to move back up quite a bit, so yeah, I'll just wait on that one. Let's see, grab that one to make sure it goes up higher before I claim that. Lift, see that one's wanting to go back up a little bit, so I'll wait on that thingy for now. Lumen, I think I sold all of that at our profit, so I'll wait a little bit on that. See, NVTS, semiconductor, so I gotta wait a tiny bit for that one to go up higher a little bit. And I'll collect some more of that. Let's see SoFi. Let's see what SoFi is doing. SoFi is doing okay so far. It's balancing around that price range. It's not bad. So let's see what the portfolio still not doing too bad. It's bouncing around at that area. You gotta have some patience with it. So at least I did lock in some profits, which is nice. Uh, let's see now. Go back down here. So yeah, I collected a tiny bit more profits. Let's see for the week. So for the week, I collected $560. Let's take home for the week. That's not too bad. That's kind of like what I sold at a profit. For 1 month, take home is 3,154. That's not too bad. 3 months is 4,600. Year to date, 5,640. So yeah, it's not too bad. At least 1 month, 3,154. That's not too bad. Okay, let's see. So I gotta see what kind of other trades I can make here. So this thing, the portfolio is still not doing too bad here. Let's see. Gotta find the other trades here. Let's see. Check the options again. So lift call. So if that one goes down a little bit more, I could collect what do you call it, profit for this, but that one has to reach 22, which is I didn't reach that yet. Lift three cells, put cells. Cash secured puts right here. So okay, so it's not too bad. So let's see. Maybe just maybe lift. Let's see, lift put 1.23, 1.25, 1.31. Maybe I should. So that one's kind of in between. So I should probably wait a tiny bit more. Maybe I could change it to 1.26. I could try to change this to 1.26. See what happens. 1.26. So still low likelihood, but I guess I'll see what happens. Okay, so I got a new one at 1.26. I guess we'll see what happens. I don't know if it will fill or not, but yeah, I guess we'll see. Let's see what should I do next here. So if I call sell, that's some poor man's covered calls right there. Another so if I call sell, so it's not too bad. Let's see, I gotta find the trades, my next trades to do here. Let's see, BBAI, gotta wait for that thing to go up higher before taking some of those profits there. Let's see, some crazy stuff, some crazy stuff. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Gotta take a tiny short little break here. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back here for a second. I'll do some trades here. Let's see what the TSLL here is doing. TSLL. So it looks like Tesla's going down a little bit, which is not bad. I'll just let that one do its thing. Only got $4,000 in that thingy. So right now it's going for 2016. I might do one, maybe just one poor man's covered call on this thingy. I'm not sure, but I'll try maybe. Trade options. Let's see, go to like, maybe go to this thing, sell a call, maybe try to sell a call at, if it reaches 23 maybe. Maybe do this thingy. Let's see, sell one at 5.00, low likelihood. Okay, let's see, 4.90, 4.50, low likelihood. I'll do 4 point, let's see, 30, medium, 4.50. I'll just do 4.50. If that fills, that fills. If it doesn't fill, it doesn't fill. I guess whatever happens, happens. If it doesn't fill, it doesn't fill. It kind of is what it is type deal. Ah, yummy coffee. Okay, so I started another contract here. I'm not sure if that'll fill or not. We'll see what happens. Um, let's see what that's doing. That's still kind of down. Oh yeah, I wanted to see if I could do a long dated contract for this. Just for the heck of it, I might try to do something pretty crazy. Let's see, December 21, 2028. Sell put. Wow, let's see what how much money we could collect doing that. Sell put for this one. If it reaches 18, collect money. 17. Maybe do this one just for the heck of it. I could try it. That'd be nice to see what it does. Or maybe do this one. Let's see what's the difference between this 10 and this one's 11. So and then at 20 that's 950 and this one's 880. So it is quite a bit higher. So I'm gonna try something sell put at like a crazy number. Like if it reaches, just to be safe, maybe if it reaches 17, which probably highly unlikely for it to reach that, maybe try to do that one. Do this one, 17, sell one, four. Let's see, or maybe just in case I could do two, just for the heck of it. I think it won't hurt. And change this number, 9.00. Okay, high likelihood. Okay, 9.20. Still high likelihood. 9.30. Still high likelihood. 9.40. Medium likelihood. 9.50. Medium likelihood. 9.60. Medium likelihood, 9.70. That's medium likelihood, 9.80. Medium likelihood, 9.90. Medium likelihood. Okay, 10.00. Medium likelihood. Wow. 10.20. Still medium. Wow. 10.50. Wow, big difference there. That's crazy. Okay, so it goes lower, doesn't matter. If it goes higher, I could collect that premium. That'll be nice. Okay, 10.70. Wow, 10.80. Low likelihood. So just for the heck of it, I'll probably do that one. So 10.70, 10.80. That's already low likelihood. So I'll probably try to do that one and see what happens. Try to do this one. Let's see. 10.80. Max loss is not that bad. Estimated credit like that. Okay, limit order has been placed. I don't know if it'll execute because that's a crazy order that I did right there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. TSLL 410, 450. Actually, I want to see what the TSLL is doing right now. TSLL 2024 looks like it's wanting to try to keep on going down, but we'll see what happens. If I could get into one of the poor man's covered calls, it would be pretty nice. It'll be pretty kind of sort of halfway nice a little bit. We'll kind of see what happens. I'll be right back. I gotta go do something for a second. Okay, I'm back here for a little bit. Let's see, like if I could make some more trades here. Got a whole bunch of these pending orders. I don't know if they'll fill or not. Um, let's see. Everything's kind of doing its own thing for now. SoFi is not doing that bad still. Flying high still sort of kind of halfway. Let's see, I'll check on that TSLL. That thing's trying to go down lower a tiny bit. I might try to lock in like a poor man's covered call or something. Let's see. TSLL, so 4.50, 4.10. I might try to change this to 4.20, see what will happen. Place order. 4 point medium likelihood. So it's wanting to go for 4.10. So I'm probably gonna hold off on that. I don't know. 4.50 limit, 4.10 bid, ask 450. Yeah, maybe I should do 4 points. Oh wait, because my limit order I'm trying to ask 450. The bid is 410. Maybe I could ask sell to open. Maybe I do 4.40. See what that does. Replace order. Do 4.40. Still low likelihood, but I guess it might be a little bit better. I could try. Zero limit order for. Oh, it's failed. Wow, nice. Although it said low likelihood, but I guess it failed. I guess that'll be a tiny little hedge for me. That's awesome. It's not bad. I'll take that. So that's failed. That's good. See where it's sitting at. So TSL sell call. That's like what do you call it? Uh what is it called? Covered call deal that I got going there. So yeah. So I could sell out of the whole at least the 100 shares that I got, sell out once it reaches $23, which right now it's at $20.15. So it's not bad, but it'll kind of hedge what I got going type deal. So I'm probably gonna let that sit around and do its own thing for now. So yeah, that's not gonna be too bad, I guess. Kind of let that do its thing for now a little bit. And let's see what the things are doing here. This is doing AVGO. Okay, Tesla, it's going down. Take care of that one later. Let's see, ELF, Baba, got $1 of that. And Phase Energy, I just sold out of that. Materion, sold out of that. the Weeble deal thingy. Costco, probably add a tiny bit more to this one once it goes down lower a little bit. Let's see, Coinbase, already sold out of that at a profit. Let's see, Nike, going down a bit just in case I'll probably throw another dollar at that thing, $2 cost average, get some more Nike. Okay, that's good, that's done. ABT, let's see what that's doing. That one still needs to go up a tiny bit more to be profitable, so I'll wait on that thing a little bit. Let's see what Owl is doing here. It's still down a tiny bit. Probably wait for that to get in the profit zone. Let's see, ARCT, that one, I'm gonna ignore that thing for now. BITX, I don't have too much of that one, but I'll wait for that one to go up higher a tiny bit. Hood, I sold at a profit for that thing just recently. APLD, the hell? Okay, that's fine as is. The hell is all that? All this stuff. Vehicle deal. Get that one. I'm gonna wait for that one to get in a profit. Oklo. I'm gonna wait for that one to be more profitable. To sell out of that. Okay, I just sold all this at a profit, so I'm gonna wait on this thing. Shopify, I think I did the same thing. I'm sold at a profit with that. I'm gonna wait for those to go lower before I do anything with those. Let's see, ATAI Life Science. I'm gonna wait for that thing to be more profitable. Okay, let's see. Hymns, I think sold out of that thing at a profit too. So REKR. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that one a tiny bit. MNTS, Momentous. Yeah, I'll probably wait for that one to be more profitable to sell at a profit with that. Let's see, Apple. Apple, I just sold at a profit out of that one. I'm gonna wait for that one to go down to get some more of that later. Alphabet class A. I'm gonna get some more of that later when it's down lower. That's the IREN. The same thing with that one. Serve robotics. That one has to go higher before I take those profits. Still need to do that. Let's see. BBAI. Yeah, I gotta wait for that one to be more profitable to take more profits. Amazon. I sold at a profit with that. I'm gonna wait for that one to do its thing. Rocket Lab. I'm gonna wait for that one to be more profitable to take profits. This one I'm gonna kind of ignore for now. Archer Aviation. Gonna wait for that one to be more profitable to take profits on that. USA Rare Earth. Yeah, that thingy. I'm gonna wait to do anything with that one. UBT Quantum Computing. Gonna wait on that one a little bit. AMD. AMD. I sold that at a profit. SOFX. I'll leave that be for now. Delta Airlines. I'll wait for that one to go lower to get some more of that. Let's see, Talkspace. I'll wait for that one to be more profitable to get some more of that. Let's see, Silver iShares. I'm probably gonna wait for that thingy to be more profitable to get some more of that. Uber. I'll wait for that one to go lower to buy some more of that. The plug deal, it's kind of like not cooperating that great, but I'm gonna probably wait for that one to do its thing. CTSLL, that thing's kind of going down a tiny bit, but at least I'm leveraged or hedged a little bit with the performance or the covered call deal that I got. Gold, I'll add to this one a little bit later. Let's see Walmart. Gonna add to that one later when it goes down a bit more. And I'll wait for that one to be more profitable to do anything with that one. DEFT, DeFi Technologies. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that one to be more profitable to sell at a profit on that one. The open deal, that one needs to go up some more to do anything with that thingy. The grab deal, I'm gonna wait on that one. See, lift is going down a tiny bit. I'm gonna leave that one be for now. See what Lumen's doing. Sold that at a profit. I'm gonna wait on that one. And VTS, that's getting closer to being in a profit zone. Uh, Probably gonna add maybe a tiny bit, like a $3 bill at that thingy for now, just in case. Okay, that's good. SoFi, it's not doing too bad. I'm kind of hedged with that thingy with some covered calls and some 4 months covered calls. So if it does go down a little bit, I could, what do you call it? Collect some premiums. Looks like it's still kind of bouncing around, doing its thing a little bit, but at least I'm glad that I'm kind of in the profit zone here with this thingy. Let's see, max year to date, 1 week, 1 month, so $3,151 profits for a month. Take home, that's not bad. Let's see what the hell the options are doing. So lift 126, so 126 to 134, lift, call, sell. Lift 3 cells. 1.30, maybe I should change this to 1.30. Replace order, 1 point. Let me see here. Okay, 1.26, 1.26, 1.34. I'll try to do 1.30. Okay, your limit order limit has been placed. Previous order. Okay, I don't know if that'll fail. So 1.30, 1.40. Right now it's going for 1.35, so I don't know if that'll fail or not. If it will, that'll be good. If not, it kind of is what it is type deal. Ah, man. I gotta see what I gotta do here. USA output, see what that's doing. That's in the profit USA output. So I'm gonna try to cancel it out and see if I could buy it back for profit. But I don't know if that's USAR sell put. So that's this is flipping this is a cash secured put, sell put. So I could sell put. I could try to buy back for 390. See what it's at right here. Oh, that's two cells to open. Oh, okay, I see. Let's see what I should do here. Sell put. Okay. I could do buy back, buy put for 3.85. Trade buy for 3.85. One for 3.85. I guess we'll see what that does. Okay, 3.80. Okay. Okay, I got some pending orders. I'm not sure if they'll get filled or not. Hopefully they do, but I guess we'll see what happens. Uh, I'll kind of, I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back here right now for a second. I'm gonna have to go. Gotta go run some errands. And I'll be back in a little bit and hopefully continue the live stream. But I will have to go here, and I'll be back later. Alrighty. Goodbye, guys.